Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recharge Honda Accord AC step by step. Start by locating the low pressure service port and identifying the correct refrigerant type listed on the vehicle label, then prepare safety glasses and gloves. Next, connect the manifold gauge set to the low side with the engine off. Follow manufacturer specs for refrigerant quantity and pressure targets, and always check for leaks before and after charging. Now prepare the car by parking on a flat surface and turning off the engine, then open the hood and locate the low-pressure service port near the firewall. Put on gloves and eye protection and have a towel ready for spills. Attach the manifold gauge blue hose to the low port and leave the caps and high side disconnected. Always follow safety guidelines and never overfill the system or mix refrigerant types. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth is sitting on my desk and gives smart, calm financial perspective that pairs well with saving on car repairs. Check the description for that book link and other deals, then grab a drink and relax. Now let's get back to the video. With gauges attached and engine running on max AC, purge the hose by briefly opening the valve to release trapped air, then close it. Hold the refrigerant can upright and add small amounts while watching the low side pressure reach the recommended SI range. Let the system stabilize between adds and check cabin temperature to ensure cooling improves. If pressures spike or you smell oil, stop and inspect for leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.